Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and welcome back, the Precious family. And for those that have not subscribed to my channel, you can become a part of the Precious family by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. Now, today's video, I will be showing you a Christmas table set for two. And this is a small table. You can decorate your small dining table and yet make it beautiful. Okay, let's jump into the video. Now, I will not be going into detail telling you the price for each item, because you can go to my playlist called Shop With Me, and you will see all of these beautiful items in my haul, and they will have the price listed. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Start with this space right here. Okay, right here beside the chair, I have the little nice bouquet that I DIY'd sitting in a mercury vase. Isn't that lovely? And right here in this chair we have the burgundy throw. Okay, and I just love the texture of it. It is so soft. And right underneath this throw, I have my 4 rugs. And that's real flurry. And just nestled right underneath the blanket, I have the pine cone potted berry stems. Okay, let's move on to this table runner. Here I have, as you can see, 2 table runners. I got the bloody red and just have the white thrown underneath the red just to give it some contrast. And right here I have my beautiful glam shimmery reindeer. Isn't that a beautiful piece right there? Look how it glows, how it glitters. Beautiful. And moving right along here to my centerpiece, where I used my little small white Christmas tree as part of my centerpiece, and I used my poinsettias and just laid them underneath the tree. And also my little Christmas tree, my little LED Christmas tree. Look at how they are covered with snow and they change color. And I have 4 of those. The 2 is on the other side. Here I have my small glitter ball underneath the tree. And here I just have my LED, and it's on a mirror silver candle holder. Isn't that lovely? Okay, and moving along to this area here. Okay guys, I have the DIY napkin, and I started to use my other napkin, but I said, well, this towel actually matches my Santa plate. And so I just put my little beads around it right here and just popped a poinsettias on it. And there we have my napkin matching the plate. Okay, I'm gonna move this aside so you can see the cookies for Santa salad plate. And I was not able to find any dinner plate to match this. Guys, if you see this dinner plate to match this salad plate here in Huntsville, please let me know, because I would love to have the dinner plate. And right here we have just a regular dinner plate from another set, just to find something to match this here. Since it had white in it, I want to go ahead and use that white plate. But yes, if you find the dinner plate to match that salad plate, comment below. Huntsville, I need your help. All right, so moving on to the silverware. That's the silver flatware there. Okay. And on this side, the same layout as the front. The little 2 Christmas trees. And we have another matching reindeer to match the other side. Okay guys, so that's basically it for my tablescape. and I'm going to pan around once more.